This is Cambridge O levels. Paper is 1, variant is 12, session is October November 19. Time 2 hours and calculator is not allowed. Question number 1. Evaluate 1 whole 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So 8 1 times 8, 1 9, 9 by 8 minus 1 by 4. LCM is 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1, 1 9 times 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 1 times 2, so 9 minus 2 is 7 by 8. B part, 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 3, so 5 by 9 multiply by 3 by 2, 3 1 times, 3 3 times, 5 1 times 5, 3 2 times is 6, so 5 by 6. Question number 2, write these values in order starting with the smallest. So there are different ways you can do this. I'm going to make the denominators same. So I can see the largest number is 200. I'm going to convert them all into 200, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2, making it 8 by 200, by 4, making it 12 by 200, by 2 again, making it 6 by 200, by 10, so 10 by 200. Now all the denominators are same and you can clearly see which fraction is the smallest. So this is 6 by 200, which is 0.03. Out of these, now 7 by 200, 8, that is 4%, 10, that is 1 by 20, 12, last one, that is 3 by 50. Question number 3. From the list of numbers, write down a prime number. So just look for the prime number and write it there. A square number, 36 is 6 square. An irrational number, square root 35 is an irrational number. Question number 4, solve the equation. So 8x, bring 2 on this side, plus 2x is equals to 7 minus 6. 10x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 10. Question number 5, factorize. So 7 square minus 3d whole square, making it a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b. B part, taking out common, we can take out 5x because it's common, so left with 3y plus 1 minus 2 is common, 3y plus 1. These two brackets are same, so take it out common again, 5x minus 2. So 3y plus 1 times 5x minus 2. Question number 6. A movie lasts for 1 hour 48 minutes and finishes at 10:15. Find the time it started. So 10:15 it finished and we go back 1 hour and 48 minutes. In order to do so, I'm taking out carry. This is 9 and 60 minutes transferred on the other side, which makes it 975, and we are taking out 48. So 6, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. So the movie started at 8:27. The size of the television screen is given as 95 centimeters, correct to nearest 5 centimeters, which means plus minus 2.5. Write down the upper bound. So 95 plus 2.5, 97.5. Write your answers in the answer space. Question number 7. The diagram shows a circle, its center and two chords of equal length. The diagram has one line of symmetry. Draw the line of symmetry. So this would look like this. In the diagram below, two small triangles are shaded. Shade one more small triangle to give the diagram the rotational symmetry of order 3. So it has 1, 2 and 3 sides. If you count from any one of the sides, this is first, second, third is gray. First, second, third is gray. So first, second, make the third one gray. Question number 8. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value. So 40 times square root 9 by 0.6 is 40 times 3 over 0.6. So we multiplied numerator and denominator by 10. You get this: 3 1 times, 3 2 times, 2 1 times, 2 200. The answer is 200. Question number 9. A map has a scale of 5 cm to 2 km. The actual distance between two masts is 14 km. Calculate the distance in centimeters. So 5 cm is to 2 km. So the actual distance is 14 km and you need to find the distance in centimeters. Cross multiply 5 into 14 by 2 is x. 2 1 times, 2 7 times, 7 5 times is 35. So it would be 35 centimeters according to the scale. B part says on the map the surface area of the lake is 50 centimeters square. Calculate the area in kilometers square. So first you convert your given scale, which was 5 centimeters, 5 centimeter to 2 kilometer. So we take square on both sides. This becomes 25 centimeters square is equals to 4 kilometer square. Now you can convert them easily. Place this 5 and solve for x. Cross multiply and you get x is equals to 50 times 4 divided by 25, 1 time, 2 times, and that is 8 kilometer square. C part says write the scale 5 centimeter to 2 kilometer in this form. So 5 centimeters to 2 kilometers, convert them in same unit. This is 200,000 centimeters. Centimeters goes with centimeters. 4 times 20, dividing both sides with 5, you get 1:40,000. Question number 10. Y is inversely proportional to x when x is equals to 2, y is equals to t. Y is inversely proportional to x. So y is equals to k over x. Find an expression in terms of y in terms of t when x is 3. Okay, first this is given. So we use this set of value when x is 2, y is t. So t k by 2 and k becomes 2t. So my equation is y is equals to, replacing k in this equation, 2t by x. So new value is in terms of t when x is 3. So y is equals to 2t by 3. Next question, question number 11. Express 4500 into 1000 square in standard form. So this is 4.5 into 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 6. 4.5 into 10 raised to power 9. Bases same, powers add. Giving your answer in standard form, evaluate this. Okay, I'm going to make this 2.4 as 24. You increased this value, you'll decrease on the other side. Divided by 4 times 10 raised to power minus 3. So 4 1 time, 4 6 times. And basis same, dividing, you subtract these. So into 10 raised to power minus 9 minus 3. 6 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Question number 12. A polygon has 12 sides. Calculate the sum of interior angle of the polygon. So the sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180, 12 minus 2 times 180, 10 times 180 is 1800 degrees. Sum of interior angles of 12-sided polygon. Question 13. Simplify anything raised to power 0. That's 1. 3 squared is 9. 3 2 times is 6. Negative power, take the reciprocal, x raised to power 3 by 8. 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. 8 cube root is 2. So x by 2. Question number 14. The temperature in degrees Celsius of 120 people were measured. The results are summarized as cumulative frequency diagram. So cumulative frequency diagram is given and the question says use the diagram to find the estimate of 20th percentile. Total are 120. So 20th percentile of 120 becomes 24. So you read your graph. At 24, we see the value is 36.6. B part says the number of people with temperature between 36.8 and 37. So 36.8, we go up and see this is 62. And for 37, you go up this line, use your scale and pencil only, and that is 100. So number of people between 100 and 62 are 38. Question number 15. The time taken by each member of the group of students to solve a problem was recorded. Some of the results are summarized in the table and illustrated in the histogram. Use the histogram to find the value of P. So P lies there. This is frequency density. Frequency density is frequency divided by class width. Frequency density for 4 to 6. 4 to 6 frequency density is 8. Frequency is P. Class width is 2. From 4 to 6 class width is 2. So 2 8 times 16. B part says complete the histogram. So it is missing from 1 to 2. Class width is 1. Frequency divided by class width is 6. So at a height of 6 from 1 to 2, first bar, and then 6 to 8, width is 2, frequency divided by class width, 4 by 2 is 2. So the height is 2 from 6 to 8. Question number 16. In the diagram AP, BQ, CR are the bisectors of angle triangle ABC. Okay, these are the bisectors what we may need, but these angles are known. The bisector intersect at O. OBP is 31, 22 and 37 respectively. Calculate POC. So we need to find this angle POC. For that, I'm going to find the angle OPC first, and I'm looking at this triangle which shows 37 and 44. So 180 minus 37 minus 44, which is 180 minus 81, giving an answer of 99. So this angle right here is 99, and my unknown angle POC equals 180 minus 99 minus 22 is 81 minus 22, that is 59. In the diagram, shade the region containing the points which are nearer to AB than AC. Nearer to AB than AC means on this side, closer to this side, and this is the bisector, so closer to this side. Second part is nearer to CA than CB, so nearer to CA than CB, so on the upper side of this bisector. So upper side of this and left side of this, we are left with this area. Question number 17. Probability. A bag contains 2 white beads and 1 black bead only. 2 beads are taken at random without replacement, means the total is decreasing. Complete the tree diagram. So there are 2 white beads out of 3. And then we take out the second bead. First white is already gone, so 1 is left. Total decreases 2. White, black, white, black. So 1 white is taken, black is still there, total is 2. Black is taken, 2 white are there, total is 2. 1 black is taken, no black is left, and the total is 2. B part, write down the probability that 2 black beads are taken. So 2 black beads, we see this is white and white, this is white and black, this is black and white. Only the last line is 2 black beads, which is clear. Black was already 1. And you may also write the answer as 0 directly without any working. Question number 18. The vertices of a triangle are given. A, B and C. Show that AB is equals to BC. So find the length of AB. X2 minus X1 whole squared plus Y2 minus Y1 whole squared whole square root. So AB. X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1. This is minus 8 squared is 64, 6 square is 36, and that is square root 100 equals to 10. On the other side, BC, length of BC is square root X2 minus X1 whole squared plus Y2 minus Y1 whole squared. So B and C, X2 minus X1 squared plus Y2 minus Y1 squared whole square root 0 square plus 10 square, which results as 10. So shown. B part says find the area of triangle ABC. In order to do that, I may wish to make a sketch. So this is 7, 0, just an idea. X7, Y0, a rough sketch. That is A. B is minus 1, 6, X minus 1, Y6. And C is X minus 1, Y minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, which shows that they are vertically above each other. They're in one line. So area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2, base length is this BC, which is 10, and height is this length from minus 1 to 7, that is 8. To 1 times, to 4 times, so 40 unit square. Question number 19. C is the point above AB and AC. Above AB, so C lies somewhere here, and AC is 5 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters. So open your compass by 5 centimeters, place your needle at A and draw the arc. Then open it for 7 centimeters, place your needle at B and draw the arc. This point is C. So A, C and BC, this would be 5 centimeters and this would be 7 centimeters. Second part says D is the point below AB in this region where BAD is 28. BAD is 28. Now place your compass right here and see where 28 degrees appears. So if it appears here, then remove your compass, draw the line and just extend it. This would be 28 degrees. On the other hand, it says ABD is 96. Now ABD, place your protector at B, see where it is 96, and then you remove your compass, draw the line, extend these two lines, and this point would be D. Question number 20. Circles. In the diagram, point A, B, C and D lie on the circle center O, A, B, C, D. ACB is 69, DCA is 34, find ABD. So this is A, this is B, this is D. If you can figure out, you'll see that these two angles are angle in same segment which lies on chord AD. So 34 and 34 each. ABD is 34 degrees. Second part says AOD. So AOD is angle at same, angle at center is twice the angle at circumference, double of 34. So 34 times 2 is 68. C part says DAB. DAB. So to find this complete triangle, I am looking at this triangle, and this complete angle here is 69. Again, using the same property, angle in same segment. Now we have two angles, 34, 69, and we can find this unknown angle. So 69 plus 34 plus the unknown angle equals 180. X is equals to 180 minus 39. 69 plus 34 is 103 and 77. Number 21, vectors. The diagram shows points. Okay, the diagram shows point O and C and the vectors P and Q. Given that OA is 2P, mark and label point A on the diagram. So O is already given, this is 1P, and then draw another vector. So we can say this is OA, which is equal to 2P. OB is P minus 2Q. So we see that O from O, P minus 2Q. P is already drawn. For Q, negative 2, negative 2Q. One negative, second negative. So this is point B, where it makes P minus 2Q. C part says express OC in terms of P and Q. So I can see P right here. So I'm moving from O. This is 1Q. Move another step. This is again Q, and I can pretty much compare that this should equal P. And on the other side, this is actually minus P. So 2Q minus P. That is OC. Question number 22. Water drops from a tap into a container which stands on the horizontal surface. The container is a cuboid with base 5 centimeters by 4 centimeter. The volume of each drop of water is 0.08. Calculate the value of the water level caused by 400 drops. Change in water level. So volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Volume of one drop is 0.08 and we have 400 drops. So this is my total volume. My length is 5, breadth is 4 and the height is unknown, which we need to find the change in level. So 2 zeros go with this. 1 2 8 4 times is 32 by 5 4 times is 20. That's the height. Dividing by 2 is 16 by 10. So height is equals to 1.6 centimeters. Water level changed by 1.6 centimeter. Question number 23. In the diagram, OB is 12 6. So we can also write as 12,6 for OB. Show that the gradient of OB is 1 by 2. So gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we are dealing with point B and the origin. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. AP is parallel to OB. AP right here is parallel to OB, and AP is P2. AP is P2. Find the value of P. Now we know that they are parallel. So AP is P2 and OB is 12 6. AP OB. So just by comparison, if you compare 12 6 and we take out common 3, so I'm left with 4 2. So basically AP is 3 times 4 2. So value of P by comparison is 4. Second part says write down the value of AP over AB. So AP is 3, which is 4 2. Sorry about that. AP is 4 2 and OB is 3 times 4 2. So that is 1 by 3. AQ is perpendicular to OB. AQ is perpendicular to OB. Write down the gradient of AQ. So we have the gradient of OB, which was 1 by 2. So using the formula for perpendicular gradients, M1 times M2 is equals to minus 1, 1 by 2 into second unknown gradient. So the gradient of AQ is minus 2. Given that AQ is 3Q, find the value of Q. So just by comparison, gradient is change in y over change in x. So gradient, we have the gradient already minus 2. Change in y is q and change in x is 3. So 3 2 times q is equals to minus 6. Question 24, matrices. Express this given question as a single matrix. So 3 1 times 3 minus 3, multiply with each element and simplify. Bringing 2 inside is minus 2, 2, 4 and 1. 3 minus minus 2 is 5. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 4, 6 minus 2, 1 time is 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Find the inverse of this. So inverse is 1 over determinant of the given matrix into a disjoint of that matrix. So determinant is this into this, 1 by 2, minus this into this, which is 0 in this case, and place change, adjoint place change, 1, 1 by 2, and sign change, so minus 1 and 0. So 1 divided by half makes it 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 by 2. 2 1 time is 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into half is 1. Find the matrix X such that 3 2 is equals to 6 4 minus 3 minus 2. So just by looking at these two matrices, we can tell that the order of the first matrix would be 2 rows and 1 column in order to get it 2 into 2 answer. So 6 4 minus 3 minus 2. So you see this is row into column. So what should be multiplied with 3 to get 6 is 2. So 2 3 times 6 and row into column 2 2 times 4. Now for -3 and -2, sign is changing, so this is simply -1, and your matrix X is 2, -1. Question number 25. The diagram is a speed time graph representing part of the train's journey. The train slows down uniformly from speed 40 meters per second to speed of 8 meters per second in time 10 seconds, 48 and 10. It then accelerates uniformly during the next 50 seconds. Find the deceleration between 0 to 10. So deceleration is change in speed. The graph gives you the gradient, which gives you the acceleration. So final velocity minus initial velocity divided by the time taken is -32 by 10, which is -3.2. This is the acceleration. Retardation or deceleration is +3.2, opposite of acceleration. Find the distance traveled from 0 to 10. So from 0 to 10, distance is the area under the graph. So 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides 8 plus 40 into the distance between these two, which is height. This shape is basically a trapezium. So 1 by 2 into 48 into 10, 2 1 times 224, 24 into 10 is 240 meters. Between t is equal to 10 and 60, the acceleration is 0.4. Calculate the speed when t is equals to 60. So 10 to 60 it is 0.4. From 10 to 60 is 0.4. So 60 and y, and this is x10, y8. Copying these 2 points, 10 and 8, here there is 60 and y, and we already know the gradient, which is 0.4. So 0.4 is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 0.4 y minus 8 by 50. So 50 into 0.4 is 20 is equals to y minus 8. 20 plus 8 is equals to y. 28 is equals to y. So the speed is 28. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.